Hello everyone, today let's talk about something that has caused massive data leaks in the past. Broken access control. And this is more common than you think. So picture this, you're browsing your favorite e-commerce site and you notice that the URL has ID parameters, something like orders/users/123 for example. What if you decide to change that number to something else? Believe it or not, this is a very common way to hack an application. And it sounds very simple, right? But in 2021, 4 years ago, a social media platform called Parler exposed millions of posts and user data just because they didn't check if the user had permission to access different IDs. Let me show what broken access control look like in the code. As you can see, this is a simple API expecting order ID, but in this case, we're not checking if the user has the right permission to access the order ID. And we're just using whatever the user input in the URL. You see the problem? This endpoint is giving away orders to anyone who asks. And this is a very simple way to fix it. First of all, you get the user ID and then you check if that user has permissions to get that order. So the rule of thumb is always check who is asking for the data. And this is why it's very important to have a code review process in your company. I'm sure that this company that I mentioned, they had senior engineers, but someone deployed a code that was not reviewed properly and introduced a very critical security problem. Well, that's why we created Evolua, an AI-powered platform designed to help developers with code review, security, and optimization. So next time you create a new endpoint to return some data, make sure you implement proper access control. Have you ever made any security mistakes in the past? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.